Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a shipping address to the Shein app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Shein app on your smart device and check if you are signed into your account. Opening the Shein application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, look for the profile that says Me and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the gear-shaped setting option and click on it. By clicking on the setting option, a new page will open where you will be able to go down to the option Address Book in the drop-down menu and click on it. Then on the next page, also click on the option Add a shipping address. The application will open the next page where you can see several empty fields, such as location, more precisely, the country in which you are located. Then, in the first name and last name fields, you should enter your first and last name. Then you have the phone number field, in which you will insert your mobile phone through which they can contact you. Also, the Shein application has enabled users to enter other data individually, such as address line, state, city, and zip code. Once you've entered all the details, tap Save or Done to add the address to your account. And that's it. Your new shipping address is now saved and ready to use for your next Shein order. So, that's basically how you can add a shipping address to the Shein app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!